Researching vehicle pricing and history is essential to avoiding pitfalls associated with low prices that may conceal significant issues. Utilize resources such as Carfax and Kelley Blue Book to validate your findings. Furthermore, trusting your instincts becomes crucial when a deal appears too good to be true. Taking the time to ask informed questions can prevent costly mistakes in your purchasing journey. A significant warning sign arises when dealers insist on deposits or credit applications prior to test drives. This typically indicates a focus on closing deals rather than prioritizing customer satisfaction. As a discerning consumer, it's vital to assert your boundaries and prioritize your comfort over the dealer's sales objectives. Respectful dealers will recognize and accommodate your needs throughout the buying process. Before heading to a dealership, ensure you have all critical details documented, including pricing and specifications. This preparation is key to shielding yourself from pressure tactics and unforeseen changes. Be vigilant about deceptive pricing strategies where advertised prices fluctuate after you express interest. Understanding your vehicle's value empowers you to negotiate effectively and avoid feelings of being misled. Recognizing the pressure tactics employed by dealers, such as rushing you into a trade-in, equips you to make informed decisions. Awareness of these methods enables you to resist coercion. Securing independent appraisals can provide leverage during negotiations, ensuring you grasp your vehicle's worth before visiting a dealership. This groundwork can substantially influence the trade-in value you receive. Challenging unexpected fees, such as reconditioning charges, aids in maintaining transparency during negotiations. A reputable dealer should be prepared to offer clear explanations for any additional expenses. Dealerships should emphasize transparent pricing to help buyers avoid excessive costs. Negotiating based on fair market evaluations empowers consumers in their purchasing decisions. Addressing the situation of signing two bank contracts can signal potential manipulation by finance managers. Always seek clarity and a detailed breakdown of the purpose behind each contract. Being informed about financing options and credit scores enhances buyers' negotiating power. Awareness of tactics like interest rate manipulation helps protect against unfavorable terms. It's crucial to scrutinize interest rates and any potential hidden fees that could impact your overall budget. Often, these additional costs go unnoticed during the purchase process. Maintaining vigilance regarding confusing paperwork is essential. Any discrepancies or ambiguous language within the documents should raise concerns about the legitimacy of the deal. Familiarizing yourself with consumer protection laws, such as the Truth in Lending Act, empowers you against deceptive practices. These regulations ensure transparency in financing terms and conditions. Deceptive Trade Practices Acts aim to safeguard consumers from dishonest advertising and sales tactics frequently encountered in the car sales industry. Such laws foster fair commerce. Consumers can pursue recourse under these acts if they believe they've been misled into a detrimental deal. This legal framework is instrumental in holding businesses accountable for their conduct. Lastly, sharing experiences with deceptive tactics encountered during car buying can aid others in staying vigilant. Community narratives can offer valuable strategies to protect oneself in the marketplace.